With the hair. Hi guys, Tamara Lankowski here. We're gonna make a Twinkie, my favorite. So we're gonna get started. What you need is a 1/4 cup of Baker's Basic.
If we have another boy, we're gonna name him
Twinkie. Again, you can use single servings or bulk. I have bulk everything. I add a 1/4 cup of egg whites, 2 tablespoons plain non-fat Greek yogurt. I'm gonna mix this and I'm gonna microwave it for 2 minutes. Now this is gonna taste like a Twinkie, but it's not gonna look like a Twinkie, okay? I'll do my best. It's gonna be a circle Twinkie, not a hot dog looking Twinkie. Okay guys, we'll be right back in a couple minutes. So yeah guys, this filling, what I did, I'll read off what I did so that people online know what we did. Okay, we used most of this filling, but it was full before. What this is 2 cups heavy whipping cream, 4 ounces Philadelphia, a 1/4 cup of sweetie, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. That's it. And I didn't warm up. I did not microwave the Philadelphia. What I did is I put the cream in first and then put the other stuff in, and I just blended it. You have to blend it with a hand blender like this, okay? That's gonna whip it and give it this mousse-like thickness, okay, and texture. And then that's what you do to get, this is what you put on to get the Twinkie fix. But again, we're gonna have to let the cake cool off, because if you put this on while it's still hot, it's just gonna melt. So you wanna let the cake cool. And another thing you can do, I'm telling you guys, because this is heavy whipping cream and that's what they make ice cream with, you could actually freeze it and make yourself like the banana cake, that the banana flip that we were making, whatever. You could actually put that in the freezer and it would freeze and it would taste like an ice cream cake because of this filling. See, that's something you couldn't do with pudding, but you could do it with the mousse. You could do that. Just another idea.
Yeah.
Just another sinful idea.
And if you use the liquid allulose instead of the sweetie,
Yes.
when you take it out of the freezer, it's already gets soft.
Oh, it's soft?
Yes.
I didn't even know they sell that in the liquid. I'm gonna have to look that up.
I had to get some off Amazon last time. 'Cause
Okay.
I searched the stores.
I'm gonna try that. I'm working on an ice cream recipe. But I want to make an ice cream recipe that's not like super high in calories.
One I have.
That's the only thing. Like I don't bring anything on plates like this, honey. Give me another plate, please. Okay, guys, it came out like this. It's super hot, you can see. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna take it out, and it comes out nice and clean too. When you, whoa, it's just so hot. Thank you. Yeah, just set them here. All right, so my plan, because Twinkies have the filling on the inside, what I'm gonna do is cut the middle of that. Let me get my other glove on. And as soon as it cools off, I'm gonna put the Twinkie, I'm gonna put the filling in here. See this? I'm gonna put the filling in here and then put it on top. And then I got a delicious Twinkie alternative. Guys, the Baker's Basic made this way with egg whites and Greek yogurt is only 2 points Weight Watchers, 16 grams protein, 3 net carbs, and only 4 grams of fat altogether. Like you could literally eat 15 of these a day and you're only at 1,800 calories, which isn't much at all, okay? We're gonna start selling these in pancake version, where you get 2 pancakes. This is 1 mix. Again, this is the equivalent of this right here, okay? So this is 148 calories, 16 grams protein, 3 net carbs, and 4 grams of fat altogether, and it's already made for you. And you can purchase them online or in the Davison Farmers Market, and it's $5 a package, okay? This is a meal now. So basically, the Baker's Basic is $3.55 for 15. The bulk is a 20 serving for $45, or if you want it pre-cooked and ready-made for you, you can pay $5 and get one of these made for you. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, all you do, once it cools off, you're gonna put this filler, the Twinkie filling in there, and then you're gonna put the top on, and you're gonna have a delicious Twinkie alternative. Thanks for watching. God bless you.